check this guy out. Now this one's a beast right here. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Mr. Too Hard to See coming back at you again, this time with a fresh new mod for the car. I have the Airlift Performance Kit. Some of you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I go by the same name, Mr. Too Hard to See. So, hey, I appreciate a little bit of love. You show me some and I got you right back. Let's get to this unboxing and reveal some of these awesome parts. So we're gonna start off right here with the rear strut assembly here for the car. My bag assembly, and check out these babies. It's designed nicely. It has red anodized coating on here. This bag system looks like it's gonna be pretty nice for the Camaro. I'm really looking forward to this Airlift Performance 3P kit going on the ride. Top notch for a 5th gen Camaro. We have our fittings. Awesome part about this is they already have Teflon tape on it, so everything should seal up really tight. I'm glad those guys just took a little step to do something like that for me. It comes with these braided hoses, the braided lines. You got some sweet looking adjuster knobs, red anodized, black polished look. I got a key, just in case for some reason you may run out of power. You gotta do this stuff manually. That's why they provide a key for you guys. And check this guy out. Now this one's a beast right here. Weight-wise, it's nearly double the weight as the rear, but it's just as cool. Like I said, nice gloss black finish here. It appears that it's powder coated, so it's gonna last. This isn't just painted. It's not gonna just scratch on off as soon as you're driving on the road or something, some rock gets caught up in your wheel well. This is gonna last, I can tell. It's beautiful. Anodized red top on here. You got your adjuster screws, so if you decide to jack up the car and you get the weight off of the tire, you can go ahead and use these screws, push it back or push it forward to whatever liking you have. It's kind of set at a center point as of now, but this will go ahead and change the camber of your wheels. So just imagine your strut being up like this vertical. That's the way it would be at center. So if you were to adjust it some, then it's gonna tilt. You're gonna get a few degrees of tilt, and that'll go ahead and get those angles on your wheels. A lot of the JDM import guys really like to do the stretch tires and get that crazy angle. For me, I'm going straight, you know, like 90 degrees on it, because I wanna keep those tires planted to the ground. I'm definitely gonna have some traction issues when I go ahead and put the supercharger on there. But as long as I have the bag set up just right, it won't be a problem at all. Also, another great thing about the bags is I won't have the headache of building step ramps or using ramps anymore. I have a low profile 3-ton jack, and all I have to do now is just slide my jack under there. I can do tire changes, I can do oil changes. You know, I can go ahead and check out my radiator or see if I have any fluids leaking. Just by having this air kit, it's gonna be a tremendous help to me for daily maintenance on the ride. And inside of this box as well, we have our braided lines for the system. I have key and hardware once again. And that is it for the struts for the Airlift Performance Kit. Haha, the tank. Check out those ports. This is what's going to be used to plumb the system. And you guys can go ahead and powder coat these things if you like. You do custom painting on it. You do vinyl graphics. I have some ideas coming up. Hey, if you guys think of something clever for the car, why don't you let me know? You guys know I like a little bit of graffiti. I'm not too sure if I should do something like that. So drop a comment, give me some ideas. Let's brainstorm together and build something really cool. Now let's get to these big mamma jammas. Ooh. This right here is a dual pack of compressors 444C, high performance, dual pack, 200 PSI. But we have two of these guys in here. So having two of these tanks, the only problem I'll be worried about is just maybe some potential sound, you know, but who cares when you got a badass exhausted supercharger pumping out and everything like that and you're dropping low. A little bit of sound ain't hurt nobody. So right here, what I have is a pretty nice wire harness. I actually like that it's sleeved with a braided wrap on the outside, protect the wiring. Got this nice fat bulky relay on here. This is gonna be great. It's a nice system for the ride. It also came with zip ties and things like that. A fuse relay and some black air hose. This is gonna be awesome for the car. I cannot wait to go ahead and get this put on. Like I said, I wanna give a shout out to Auto Addicts. That's gonna be the shop that's gonna do the work. You guys know that I like to do wrenching and I try to do professional and get it right, but sometimes you need to go ahead and take your car to the next level, and to do so, you need a professional shop to do that. So that's when that comes in. This isn't headers, this is airbags we're doing, baby. So guys, this is the 3P 3H kit. Basically 3P is the highest you can go. So I believe a standard kit would be 3H, and mine just has an upgrade of having sensors for your bags on each particular bag. So I got sensors on all four corners. I'll be able to know exact PSI that I'm running on the bag. If I want to go ahead and just slightly adjust one corner, I can go ahead and do that. That's the great part about this kit, the adjustability that it provides for you in your car. For different scenarios, you never know. One day you might just be wrenching on the car and you got to get a jack up under there or something. You could just be doing some basic maintenance, just looking at the system, making sure everything is plumbed well and all that. So I really like to have features. I don't want to just be stuck just with one option only. Pretty nice sleeve there. Reminds me of like a pack of Jordans, you know, opening up the good stuff. So what do I have here for you guys? Quite sure, some wiring, miscellaneous items. We'll put that to the side. But what's in here is, I know this for a fact, it's the intake manifold for the air kit. Comes in a nice stealth black finish. Has some weight, it feels like quality. The bottom half, I could tell it's billet. This is billet aluminum here, the casing, so you don't just get this big plastic thing that like sucks. It's a pretty freaking nice unit. I cannot wait for the install of this. And here's the controller. This tiny little package offers a lot. So this is the standard controller that'll be inside of the car that I'll have. It has different adjustment features. I know CAMARO ZLS, he went over that one time. Hey Dilla, what's up with you, boy? I'm seeing you, Cali to Arizona. Anyhow, guys, I know for a fact that what the bottom button to do is like, that's your show mode button. So as soon as you get there and you're pulling up, you hit that bottom button, car will just drop down and you'll cruise with the car and the fender line just millimeters right over your tire. No scrape at all. Coming in smooth. Catching all the attention, getting all the photographs. You want the crowd to come around your car. That's the specialty button, I call that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I decided to lay out a majority of the kit out for you guys to see the beauty of this quality. These parts are awesome, and I really want to thank you guys for taking the time to tune in to the channel. I know this video was a little bit lengthy, but follow your boy on Instagram, you know, follow me here on YouTube. I really appreciate that. You know, drop me some comments. Like I said, if you guys got any ideas about the tank, hit me with those. You know, I'm really interested to see what you guys think. You guys are really creative out there, and I know we can come up with some awesome ideas together. Also, I want to shout out Dare to Be Different Motorworks. These were the guys that sold me this kit. Shipping was phenomenal, considering that it's Christmas time and it's high volume. I received it in, I don't know, about a week or so. So shout out to Airlift Performance, everybody else out there. Thanks again for watching the channel. Tune in. I'll have this thing installed in January, and we're gonna go ahead and move on up. See you later. Peace.